What's up, guys? I'm Coach Desi, and I'm here with Coach Streck. We're here to talk about the concept of power in both strength sport and athletics.
So first of all, let's define power. Power is best defined as most amount of force in the least amount of time possible. So when I'm training field sport athletes, power development is one of my highest priorities. When I'm training to develop power, I'm looking at things like sprints, jumps, loaded jumps, and throws, things like medicine balls. And that's because these movements most closely mimic the time demands of our sport.
So in powerlifting, there's still this sort of pervasive idea that we need to be training power production in the form of speed work, specifically talking about using like bands on squat, bench, deadlift for a lower percentage of your 1 rep max and trying to move that thing as quickly as possible. I think for most raw powerlifters, this isn't going to end up being the best use of your time. It's not specific or heavy enough to transfer in most cases because it's focused on the wrong end of the force velocity curve. The truth is maximal strength is a slower expression of force than most power training protocols. So that means a better use of your time is more spent on the other end of the force velocity curve, dealing with heavier loads more specific to the demands of the platform.
When it comes to strength training athletes, you can make the case for accommodating resistance, but most of the time when it comes to making athletes stronger, we're talking about using the same traditional methods that he's talking about. In my opinion, we get our best results from training strength and training power, but not trying to combine them both into one exercise.